Sevoke Kalibarhi is a place which is the most popular weekend destination for most of the Siligurian and resident of North Bengal. It is approximately 20 kilometers from Siliguri. Here Hindu goddess Ma Sevokashwari reside in this temple.
Sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
There is another temple of God Shiva situated at nearby hill. The scenic beauty of this place is excellent. The temple is surrounded by the Himalaya. Green color river Teesta flows at the foot of hills in her own madness, which is surrounded by the green dense forest covering the hills. Another nearby attractive spot is Coronation Bridge over Teesta, which was made on British period. Many peoples are attracted for its unique architecture. Usually the timing of opening temple is from 8:30 am to 6:30 pm, but it changes during different season. Be sure to drive slowly and carefully. The flood destroyed roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. Sometimes there can be long hours of traffic congestions, so please have patience, switch on your music and enjoy the nature.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands. Where every sunrise is just for you. Come along and take my hand.
The weather in Peling can be unpredictable. After a few hours of driving, we finally reached Peling. We are excited to explore this beautiful town and all it has to offer. Thanks for joining me on this road trip from New Jalpaiguri to Peling. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Please let me know if you have any other questions.